Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Half Way Tree. We are on Hagley Park Road heading up to the intersection of Hagley Park Road, Eastwood Park Road and Maxfield Avenue. We're going to turn right and go onto Eastwood Park Road. The road on the right of the intersection is Maxfield Avenue, but it's a one-way, so we can't turn right from this side of Hagley. You can't turn right from You can't enter Maxfield Avenue from this intersection, basically. Okay, so straight ahead is the NCB branch, and we are now turning left onto Eastwood Park Road, and we'll take Eastwood Park Road up to Constant Spring Road. So if we turn left here, we'd go onto Malines Road, and Malines Road will take us back to Washington Boulevard. And as we go over or through this intersection, on the right you're going to see a bus park. That's the Half Way Tree Transport Center, and that's the largest bus park in Jamaica. There it is on the right. Very nice structure. Every parish in Jamaica should have a structure like that as their major transportation hub. Now this section in Half Way Tree is very busy because the bus park is right there, and so you have a lot of plazas. Actually, Half Way Tree has the most expensive real estate in Jamaica. An acre of land in Half Way Tree goes for 1.5 million US dollars. So that's why you find so many plazas, because with that kind of expenditure you can't really build a house or any residential thing. It has to be more commercial. And also Half Way Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, so the supply and demand is another reason why the real estate price is so high. And there is not much space left in Half Way Tree to build. It's practically built out. You'd have to tear down an existing structure and build something there. We're now coming up to the intersection of Red Hills Road. Turn left here, we go onto Red Hills Road, go straight. We take Eastwood Park Avenue up to Constant Spring Road, and if we turn right here, we go on to Constant Spring Road. Constant Spring Road is a dual carriageway, so you have to enter both. You have two different entrances to the road. Okay, on the left now is Marketplace. Talk about indiscipline on the road. You see the person reversing on a main road. Okay, on the left is the head office. Where we're coming up to the left now is the head office for the CVM TV station. On the left is Merle Grove High School. Now at this intersection, we turn left, we go on to Dunrobin Avenue. As you can see, Constant Spring Road was recently renovated. This was done through the major infrastructure development program.